I'm just out here in the garden trying to clean things up and get this watermelon under control, and I've decided that it's time for the beets to come out. I pre-checked the beets I think about 2 weeks ago, both the sugar and the Detroit red, and both of them weren't looking too well, so I thought I'd come to the conclusion that, you know, I'll just try again in the fall. But oh my gosh, these Detroit red beets, they actually bulbed up. I was nervous that the soil was too compact, so they're just going to be all odd and irregularly shaped, but I'm going to give you guys a close-up. They look fantastic. Here we go, look at them. They're sticking out of the ground and they are just absolutely perfect. So let me pull this one out. Boom, look at that baby. And then boom, look at this baby. Heck yeah! I got some beets, y'all. Like, I thought they're all gonna come out like that or worse. This one's a beauty right here. Look at this beauty. Wow. Small little guy. Another small little guy. Yeah, here's the one that I originally checked and put it back on the ground. So that's what I thought they all were gonna look like. And I think that's it. So here is the small harvest of beets. And less photogenic, here are the sugar beets that I pulled up earlier. They're kind of wonky and all weirdly shaped, so. But that was what I was expecting for these guys, but look at this guy. This is like perfectly round and beautiful. So now that this area is clear, I'm going to mulch it and then spread the watermelon back out that way. Thank you guys for watching this short little video, and see you next time. Bye.